Welcome to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Ford camper truck, a vehicle that seamlessly blends the rugged capabilities of a truck with the comfort and convenience of a camper. Whether you're an avid adventurer or someone looking to explore the open road with all the amenities of home, this model promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. Let's start with the heart of the vehicle, its performance. The 2025 Ford camper truck is built on the robust platform of the F-Series, renowned for its durability and power. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of potent engines designed to meet diverse needs. One standout option is the 3.5L PowerBoost full hybrid V6 engine, which delivers an impressive 430 horsepower and a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,500 pounds. This means you can confidently tow additional equipment or a secondary trailer without compromising performance. Sight Turn Zero Search Zero. For those who prefer traditional powertrains, there's also the 5.0L V8 engine, offering 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a balance of power and efficiency, ensuring you have the muscle needed for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Sight Turn Zero Search 4. Speaking of off-road capabilities, the 2025 camper truck doesn't disappoint. Equipped with advanced features like the available Tremor off-road package, it includes enhancements such as improved suspension, skid plates, and selectable drive modes tailored for various terrains, including normal, slippery, tow/haul, eco, and deep sand/snow. These modes allow you to adapt the vehicle's performance to the specific challenges of your journey, ensuring optimal traction and control. Sight Turn Zero Search 14. Now, let's move to the camper-specific features that make this vehicle a true home on wheels. The camper module is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. Inside, you'll find a well-appointed living space that includes a compact kitchenette equipped with a stove, sink, and refrigerator, everything you need to prepare meals on the go. The sleeping area is designed to comfortably accommodate 2 adults, with options for expandable bedding to cater to additional occupants. Storage is always a concern for campers, and Ford has addressed this with intelligently designed compartments throughout the cabin. From overhead bins to underseat storage, there's ample space to stow away your gear, ensuring a clutter-free environment. The use of high-quality materials and finishes adds a touch of luxury to the rugged practicality of the camper. In terms of technology, the 2025 Ford camper truck is equipped with the latest innovations to enhance your travel experience. The SINC4 infotainment system features a user-friendly 12-inch touchscreen that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, you can seamlessly connect your devices to stay entertained and informed.